Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in Kia Auto Finance from the website. First step is to open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the search bar and type in Kia Auto Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. This is the official website of Kia Auto Finance. Here on the top navigation bar, you can see 3 lines. Click on it. Here on top, you can see login option. Click on login. Now you need your username and your password. So type in your username. Now type in your password. Now if you click on this box, then you are saving the information on your browser. But if you are using public network, you can leave it as unchecked. If you have forgot your username or your password, you can click on this link and reset it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on create account and create a new account. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Kia Auto Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.